Okay, so we got pumpkin. Now I'm gonna go to the second one. Okay, so now we got both of our pieces. It looks a little bit weird because they may not be aligned. So, okay, there we go. We got this. The one that you're seeing here is what I think is upside down. So I'm just gonna click this little button, R for rotate, C for center, X for x-axis, and then kind of like that. Now I'm gonna turn on the other layer. Okay, it's looking close. I'm gonna click R again, C for center. I'm gonna do y-axis, so I click Y. So what we're trying to do is just line them up so they can kind of align and autocorrect themselves. So it's almost at the point I would say it could fix itself. We got the face, we got that. I'm gonna click right here T again for transform, and I'm gonna move it, trying to get the triangle nose. Okay, so I think that is that close enough? I think the nose is good, everything else isn't. So this might not autocorrect. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna give it one more little spin. I'm gonna click here, R for rotate, C for align, for center. I'm looking at these lines right here, so that looks kind of good. Enter, T for transform, bring it down, and okay, so it kind of lines up in a way like that. So what I'm going to do now is, you see this A button right here?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to click it. I think it's A for align. There we go. And you know you clicked it because this align tool pops up. And so when this happens, you kind of see both models. And you see where it says here, glue here, visible meshes?
Okay.
Okay, I clicked on it, and then you see these little dots next to these. So I'm going to click process, and when I click this, it's going to get point clouds and match them up. So I'm going to click process. Did you see that? Process again?
That'll happen after you press the A button, right?
Yes, and then you glue the visible meshes. So what I'm doing right now is I'm clicking process over and over and over, and every time I click process, it tries to better align them. So I click this a few times until I'm satisfied, and right now the eyes look like they're getting there. It looks like it's doing the mouth pretty well, but
yeah. And something interesting about when scanning, it sometimes it even scans what it might be like inside, like the hollow part of the pumpkin.
yeah.
But sometimes it just creates like something black, like if there was nothing inside.
Yeah, sometimes it has a hard time detecting depth, I think, but the scanners are only going to get better, I think. Okay, so I clicked process a few times, and it looks good-ish, but I think the problem was it wasn't aligned well. So I'm gonna click the A button again to get out of it. I'm gonna click R for rotate, C for centering, X for Z-axis right there. And okay, so right there the holes line up pretty good. I'm gonna click A again, and I'm gonna click glue here visible process. Look at that nice ass pumpkin. So as I process it more and more, you can see the colors kind of aligning them.
Yeah.
So look, I'm gonna rotate around it. What do you think?
Looks cool. Looks cool.
You got the inside, like the both of the inside scans lined up too.
That is nice.